Looking for the best electric drum sets in 2025? In this video, we review the top 5 electronic drum kits that deliver amazing sound, realistic feel, and cutting-edge features. Whether you're a beginner or a pro drummer, these models from top brands like Roland, Yamaha, and Alesis will elevate your performance and recording experience. Stay tuned till the end to find your perfect drum kit. Number 5. The AODSK AED 400 electric drum set is an impressive choice for beginners, kids, and even adults who want a quiet, realistic drumming experience. This all-in-one package includes 4 responsive 6.5-inch drum pads, 3/8 cymbals, a solid metal frame, drum throne, sticks, and headphones, everything you need to start playing right away. With its 150 authentic sounds, 15 drum kits, and 10 demo songs, it delivers a rich variety of tones that stay true to acoustic drum sampling. Users praise its crisp sound quality and natural feel, noting that it responds well to touch, giving a lifelike drumming experience. One reviewer mentioned how quiet it is, perfect for home use, while another loved the realistic playability and sensitivity. Designed for portability, the AED 400 easily folds for storage or transport. The built-in metronome, LED display, AUX input, and USB MIDI interface make it ideal for both practice and music creation. You can play silently with headphones or connect to external speakers for full sound immersion. Whether it's for learning, casual play, or gifting, the AODSK AED 400 stands out as a versatile and beginner-friendly electric drum set that combines quiet practice with authentic performance. A perfect blend of fun, function, and value. Number 4. The Scourse electronic drum set is a fantastic choice for beginners seeking an affordable, quiet, and versatile drumming experience. This 8-piece electronic kit includes 4 responsive 6-inch mesh drum pads, 3 dynamic 10 cymbals, and a 6 silicone kick drum, all mounted on a durable carbon steel frame. The all-mesh heads offer a realistic, elastic feel while minimizing noise, making it ideal for apartments or shared spaces. With 360 high-quality sounds, 20 preset kits, and custom user settings, the Scourse delivers impressive tonal variety for styles like rock, jazz, blues, and metal. The dual Bluetooth connectivity allows seamless pairing with computers or smartphones for music software, recording, or backing tracks. Built-in features like a metronome, speed control, and recording mode make it a well-rounded kit for learning and improving rhythm skills. User reviews highlight its authentic response, quiet operation, and sturdy construction even after months of regular use. Many appreciate the responsive snare with rimshot capability and the immersive feel that closely mimics acoustic drumming. Complete with headphones, sticks, and all cables, the Scourse drum kit is ready to play right out of the box. For beginners or home drummers looking for quality, realism, and value, this kit hits all the right notes. Number 3. The Donner DD200 is an exceptional entry-level electronic drum kit that delivers impressive sound, durability, and playability for beginners and intermediate drummers alike. This 8-piece setup features full mesh drum pads that feel incredibly realistic, providing excellent stick rebound and responsiveness close to acoustic drums. The dual-zone 8-inch snare, 3/8 toms, 6 kick, and 3/10 cymbals with choke offer dynamic control and natural tone transitions. With 450-plus authentic sounds and 31 drum kits, the DD200 lets you explore a wide range of musical styles, from rock and pop to jazz and electronic. Built-in 50 play-along songs, a metronome, and recording function make it perfect for practice, while USB MIDI and AUX input support seamless connection to computers or mobile devices for recording or jamming with tracks. User reviews praise its realistic sound, sturdy build, and easy assembly. One user noted how the kit sounds fantastic with the Donner 20W amp and feels just like an acoustic drum. Another appreciated its compact, foldable design, ideal for home use and storage. Complete with a drum throne, headphones, sticks, and free melodics lessons, The Donner DD200 is a powerful, all-in-one drum kit that offers unbeatable value, realism, and reliability for 2025. Number 2. The Fesley FED 1000 electric drum set brings a new level of realism and innovation to electronic drumming. Featuring quiet mesh drum pads and a fully independent hi-hat system, it delivers an authentic acoustic feel that drummers will appreciate. With 225 sounds, 30 preset kits, and 10 demo songs, it's perfect for experimenting with multiple genres and refining your sound. Thanks to its advanced sensor technology, every hit and nuance is captured with precision, creating a rich, expressive playing experience. The USB MIDI connectivity makes recording or practicing with your favorite track simple, while the foldable frame and headphone support make it ideal for home use, quiet or loud, your choice. The dual zone cymbals and snare, responsive kick pad, and sturdy metal rack give the kit a professional touch, while the intuitive control module lets you customize your tone, volume, and tempo with ease. Users praise the realistic feel, sturdy build, and responsive support from Fesley. Setup can take a bit of time, but once complete, it's worth every minute. Whether you're a beginner learning the basics or a pro looking for a compact practice kit, the Fesley FED 1000 offers unbeatable value and performance for its price. Number 1. The Alesis Nitro Pro electric drum set is a powerhouse for drummers who crave both realism and versatility. With dual-zone, quiet mesh pads, Bluetooth connectivity, and over 500 BFD-powered authentic drum sounds, it delivers an incredible mix of feel, control, and creativity. This 8-piece Pro kit includes an 8-inch mesh kick tower, double kick compatible, a 10 dual-zone snare, 3 8 toms, and 3 10 cymbals with choke, all supported by a sturdy metal rack for reliable stability. The upgraded drum module comes loaded with 36 BFD kits, 16 user kits, and advanced customization options, so whether you're exploring rock, jazz, or metal, every note feels lifelike. You can also connect via USB MIDI to record directly into your DAW or expand your sound library using the BFD player software. Users love the quiet mesh pads, excellent sound quality, and Bluetooth feature for jamming with favorite tracks. Many also appreciate how easy it is to assemble and how durable the metal frame feels. With Drumio's 90-day lesson access and thousands of interactive songs, Alesis makes learning and improving effortless. Perfect for beginners or pros, the Nitro Pro offers unbeatable performance, realism, and value an all-around professional setup that inspires every drummer to play more. Thanks for watching our top 5 best electric drum sets review 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more music gear reviews and drum kit comparisons. Drop a comment below and let us know which drum set you'd love to play. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest electronic instruments and sound gear. See you in the next video.